So what is function? User defined function. We have to put the name of the function. Okay, returning part, this is the receiving part. Here multiple value may be received, but only single value may be returned, not more than one value we will return. So return function single value return. So all these are the statement. This particular function may be called number of time, it is called function definition. So in C language we can define multiple functions, and particular function may be called number of times at different places in C language. Function may be received number of value, but function may be sent only single value. Let us take the example. Okay, so in this example, this is the function calling. In this example, this is the function calling statement, function to be invoked. So value of x 3, returning x multiplied by 2. So 3 into 2, 6 will be returned by this function. So value of j becomes 6. Printf j means value of j 6. Okay, so this is the example of functions, basic.